Step-by-step tutorial on crocheting a 3D lucky star. I used 4 strands of milk cotton yarn and a 2.5mm crochet hook. Start with a magic ring. Two chains. Then work 3 double crochets within the ring. Then make 5 chains. This completes the first group. Next, you'll need to make 4 more groups. Now working on the second group, 3 double crochets. Five chains. This completes the second group. Finish the remaining groups on your own. Expand the loop. Turn to the back side. Pull the short end. Then pull the constricted loop. Pull counterclockwise. Pull the short end again. Return to the front side. After completing the 5th group, slip stitches to the first double crochet. The first round is done. Now start the second round. First, make a chain. Then work a single crochet. Skip 1 stitch, then work another single crochet in the next stitch, the 3rd double crochet. Next, work 3 single crochets into the chain space. Then make 3 chains. Work another 3 single crochets into the same space. First group of this round is done. Now working on the second group. Similarly, in the first stitch, work a single crochet into the first double crochet. Skip the middle stitch. Work a single crochet in the next stitch. Then 3 single crochets into the chain space. Make 3 chains again. Work 3 single crochets into the space. Second group completed. Finish the remaining 3 groups independently. After completing the 5th group, slip stitches to the first single crochet. Then make 1 chain and cut the yarn. Leave a 60 centimeters yarn tail for sewing. Cut the excess yarn here. Crochet another identical piece using the same method. Thread the yarn tail into a sewing needle. Place both pieces back to back. Sew every other half stitched around the edges. Stitch corresponding stitch precisely. Continue until the end of the round. Finish the remaining stitches independently. After sewing the full round, hide the yarn tails. Now you can cut the yarn ends. With sewing completed, your 3D star is finished. It's very 3-dimensional. You can attach a hanging rope. Make it into a small hanging ornament.